Okay, as you can see, this side's sticking out. It's like 3 or 4 inches.
Come on, take you up.
He's got the 2.5 inch ReadyLift, but no track bar, so we went and got the track bar. And here it is. So we're gonna put that in, see if it brings this tire in at all. We jacked it right here and here. Take a look under the frame. You can see right there. We jack right on there and right there to get it off the ground. This tire's off the ground, so you don't have to remove it. Let me come to the other side here. This tire is still touching a little, just a little bit. We gotta take it off anyway, so we're gonna take it off, then remove the jack underneath. Here, look at this side. Okay, the tire's off. Here's the arm we're going to replace. It's right here. Take these bolts out. Here's the new one we're going to be putting in. Okay, give her a tug. She's tight, hey? Okay. Oh, she's not wanting to go. Is it going?
So you don't get her bound in there. You're gonna get bound in the frame.
Okay. Okay. We had to unscrew this thing the whole way. We couldn't get it to just punch out after. So we unscrew it the whole way. Here it is. Once you get the bolt out, just put a bar in here. Pry this down. You can see the whole thing moving over as you pry it down. And there it goes. Okay, we have a 3/4 to a 1/2 to a 1/4. And the size of these bolts are 18 mil. I already broke this one loose. Now we're gonna try to get in here and get to this one. It's tighter than shit. We're on pretty good. Let's see if we can get it. Okay, we got both those loose, this one and this one. Now we have a 3/4 converted down to a 1/2, and the size is 13/16 for these 3 bolts on the back side here. I broke one loose, I got 2 more to go. That's 2 loose. I can't even get it to hook. This might pop off. Okay, I have all 3 loose. Now I'm going to get my quick wrench. Okay, that's one. 13/16. Got her wedged in there nicely. Okay, you have to give me a minute. Got it going?
Yeah.
We got the second one out. Now we're just working on the third one here. And she's tight in here. That's the third one. Again, it's 13/16 the sides, or close to that. Kind of wedge in there when you try to get them out, but we got these 2 loose already. I'm just gonna take them out. Again, these ones are 18 mil.
And the key is to not let this drop on your face.
Now you want to get rid of Okay. Now theoretically this should just come out.
Yeah. There's your track bar.
There she is. Here's the new one, we're about to put it in. Let's start with the easiest bolt and get it up there. Try to get it started. Okay, it's in, it's held. I'm going to try to get this far side on now. Okay, it's in the slot. We'll put on the easiest bolt again and get her started. Okay, that's bolt number 2 of 5. Here's the third one. Here's the last one that goes in there. This one's tight. Okay, and then the 5th bolt right up here in this hole. Oh. So we left all the slop in these bolts so that we can get this arm up here. It's kind of tight, but we're getting it started. We got it in the hole. And we're just going to try to screw it in. We had to unscrew it the whole way, so we're going to try to screw it back in. It's slowly going. Okay, we're going to tighten these 3 up now. This is all still loose, this is through loose. This thing will only do 60 pounds, so we'll tighten it with the wrench after even more.
Okay, crank one. Okay, go. Flex.
We're going to get these nice and snug. Okay, now we're going to tighten up these 2 bolts. They're 18 mils. This only goes to 60 pounds again. And I'll tighten it up with the wrench after. Now we're going to crank these up tight. This one. This one's kind of hard to get on. Crank this up. We're getting this part tight. Make sure she's on. Okay. Then we're going to jack it back up, take the stands out, and see if we got any difference. Jack it back up like that. Okay, so we took this one out. We put this block under the tire just so that it didn't drop as far. Now we're jacking this side up, and we're going to take that out. So we got the jack out of this side. You can see. Still on this, we're just going to back up a bit and see what it looks like now. It brought it right in even with the other side. Kind of hard to kind of hard to tell, but both sides are perfectly even now. So definitely the track bar. If you're gonna put bigger tires and rims on your truck, you need the track bar. Here, High Tech Automotive is doing the alignment. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.